Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. This question has been asked in UPSC CSAT examination and various other examinations. The question asking to find out four bells ringing together and ring at an interval of 12 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds and 30 seconds respectively. How many times will they ring together in 8 hours? For these type of questions, what we have to simply do is that first we have to find the LCM. One time in 1 minute. If a bell rings one time in 1 minute, it means 60 times in 1 hour. If a bell rings 60 times in 1 hour, how many times it will ring together in 8 hours? In 8 hours, the bell will ring 60 into 8 is equal 480 times. But 480 is not our answer. Many students commit mistake here only. We have to add 1 to this 480 because initially all 4 bells ring once. So we have to add 1. So our answer will be 480 plus 1. 481 times. This is our answer. Finally, all 4 bells ring together 481 times in 8 hours. Thank you. Thank you for watching.